Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. Although my favorite position shifts sometimes, XRP is currently my favorite available option. When I say goals, future, and success, I mean that many people in the cryptocurrency industry have their own pet projects that they're sure will take off in the market. If you're involved with something useful, like Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP, for example, you're probably thinking, I'm in this. It seems like everyone has their own special interest. I have the heaviest investment in XRP. I was able to make XRP from XRP or gather XRP from XRP trades and other deals that were available. I believe that Bitcoin has long since had its aha moment when it comes to the market impact, dominance, and other related topics. Now, as they consider ETFs and the future of crypto, they are coming to terms with the fact that it will serve as a store of value, similar to gold and Ethereum. Time passes, as we can see in 2020 and 2021 and all that. As you watch Ethereum go from a low point to a terrific one, even dropping below $800 and then seeing it rise from there, that's fantastic, isn't it? Along with receiving their ETF, now, the common denominator between the two is that they both had their upswings and had accessible exchange-traded funds. Does that imply that these ETFs will cause them to explode? No, it simply indicates that more people are entering the market, and more people like us are entering the market as traditionalists who invest in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for the long term. XRP was actually pretty high on the list of potential ETFs, based on what I've read, watched, and understood. However, the ongoing litigation, things with the SEC and how they're fighting it, and the SEC's discomfort with the potential dilution all contributed to the delay in my getting an ETF faster than Ethereum. While Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others are involved in litigation, they can also have an exchange-traded fund ETF, but XRP's ETF is on the way. This is common knowledge, and the eventual success of that ETF will cause XRP's value to skyrocket. What this means is that it won't detonate immediately. That explosion from Ethereum hasn't been visible to us, actually. While Bitcoin's price skyrocketed from $60,000 to $73,000, a new all-time high, following the introduction of the ETF, the cryptocurrency also experienced steep declines, even steeper than those we've seen in the past, before making a respectable comeback. I now realize that for XRP, we will see the ETF we're planning to launch, and that these reductions occurred because of the liquidation trains that come in and sell Bitcoin through these organizations. We should expect to see, a dip initially, but we're going to see two that are well established, have a history, and will know what to expect. Subsequently, we will see factors that will cause it to surge. In contrast to what transpired with Ethereum, Bitcoin's price went up to $73,000 and then went down. At some point, you'll come across Ethereum that didn't actually rise, but rather dropped. The remainder of the market fell as well, as you could see. In my opinion, that is truly the last thing that happens. Not Ethereum nor itself is it built on. It seems to revolve around me. The Bitcoin halving and the terrible timing that followed it, after all, next month was supposed to be a good one. Looking back, it seems like last month wasn't exactly a banner month, was it? September is typically a bad month. Anyway, what terrible timing, isn't it? Plus, XRP will have its very own exchange-traded fund. We are aware of its impending arrival, but they are considering the possibility that Solana ETF will come first. After reviving its XRP trust, Grayscale has stoked speculation about a spot XRP and ETF launch. Given this development, some have speculated, or at least started to speculate, that market analysts may propose launching a Solana ETF prior to the XRP ETF's release. Solana is clearly well supported by many people, myself included, and I believe this to be the case due of this. Let me see it. However, there is a more significant cause that could lead to legal action with Ripple. So, there's still time for litigation in the SEC, which could hurt XRP in the long run. However, you should launch with the knowledge that this is going to happen. Other trusts have become ETFs, and XRP will follow suit. Now, I'm not sure if the relaunch of the XRP Trust is a sure sign that Solana will have an ETF, but it's worth looking into. With your confirmation of the ETF's impending arrival, it's more pertinent to XRP. Just when is it going to arrive? Am I correct? We haven't heard a ton about it, so I don't think it makes it clear that Solana is getting one now. It seems like a no-brainer that Solana will be the next exchange-traded fund, even though I've been hearing more about the XRP ETF. I would venture to say that many people have that opinion. Everyone knows that Solana and XRP are the two most prepared to launch when the topic is raised. There is no argument whatsoever. Which one comes first is irrelevant. Not that it matters to me. I have no doubt that XRP will receive one as a result of the XRP Trust's impending transformation into an ETF. Important news for XRP, then. The viewer's presence here is greatly appreciated. Bye for now, and please subscribe and like my channel.